Affinity-based electrochemical sensors can transform biochemical information from a specific molecular binding event into an electrical signal, showing promise for the use in low-cost medical diagnostic devices. However, their surfaces are easily fouled by off-target biomolecules in complex fluids like blood or plasma, which can prevent them from detecting their targets. eRAPID solves this problem by coating the sensors with a robust, mass-manufacturable, antifouling layer with embedded conductive materials like gold nanowires. Affinity probes like antibodies anchored to the antifouling layer bind to their target biomolecule, which attracts a conjugated secondary probe that initiates a chemical reaction to produce a precipitate at the binding site. The electroactive precipitate sticks to the antifouling layer and produces an electrical signal that is proportional in size to the amount of the target molecule in the sample. eRAPID can also be multiplexed to detect several targets simultaneously in the same drop of blood on a single chip. This approach could allow affinity-based sensors to become as widespread as handheld glucometers, which are currently used by millions of people worldwide.